Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I will show you how to get steel in World of Warships. Steel is one of the rarest currencies in the game and is mainly used to buy powerful premium ships and special items in the armory. The main way to earn steel is by playing ranked battles. Each ranked season gives steel as rewards when you climb ranks and reach milestones. Second is clan battles. This is the best and fastest way to earn steel. By playing with your clan and winning battles, you get a large amount of steel every season. Third is special events and missions, which is we go here to combat missions. Here, sometimes you can see rewards that reward steel. Just complete the mission and you'll get steel as a reward. Fourth is steel containers. Very rarely, steel can drop from special containers, but this isn't a reliable method. Once you have enough steel, go to the armory, and here you can buy premium ships for steel, as you can see here, or even commanders, or even special items. Quick tips: join an active clan for clan battles, play ranked every season, and save steel for ships, not small items. And that's it. That's how you earn and use steel in World of Warships.